The one I opted for is a perrolator, part number F54714. The fuel filter for these 4th gens Camaros and Firebirds is located right behind the driver's side, right in front of the rear tire, right inside of the subframe. This is your fuel filter. This is what the way that the clips work on the other side over here. If you look at this new one, all you gotta do to get it out is push these in and it'll come right out. You take your 5/8 and you turn the outside one counterclockwise. It'll come right out. So you're taking the fuel line out of the fuel filter, like so. Alright, so to get fuel filter out of this side over here, it's gonna constantly leak gas. You have to push in those plastic clamps I showed you and really get both hands in there and wiggle the sucker out this way while pushing that out this way, while also making sure that this metal fuel line doesn't inhibit you from pushing it this way. Just a little bit, get it in there right. Stick it in your little bracket, like so. There you go. It's easier if you push this side up. There you go. I heard it click. So she's in. Notice she stopped leaking gasoline on this side. Push her down a little bit over here. She gets in the spot. Put this side in, male and the female. You start bolting her up a little bit. Screwing her in clockwise. Once I bolt this up, it should be good to go. You're gonna turn this last one clockwise like so. And that should be right there. You got her all hooked up. You just gotta fire her up, and it's gonna be a little weird because there's a lot of air in the system. But here she goes. Running good. We got fuel. The car looks like this. You did it right.